So you might be in a situation where TikTok just continues to show you these same videos on your account that you've already basically taken a look at. So maybe you've already gone through and seen these videos, but for some reason they're just going through and just showing you the same exact ones. Now, the most common reason why this ends up happening is usually because there's some random issue going on within TikTok. Sometimes their servers can have issues, sometimes there can be some problems like that. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is to just go through and just close out of TikTok. So just completely swipe out of it, just close out of it, and just give it a few moments. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to open up TikTok one more time. So close out of TikTok, just completely close out of it, exit out of it, and then go through and you want to open up TikTok one more time. So that right there is probably going to be the main way that you can kind of go through and kind of fix this problem. So that's kind of what I recommend doing here. Close out of TikTok, give it a few seconds and I'll open it back up. If that doesn't end up fixing it, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is to go through and try seeing if you can update your TikTok application. So go inside of your app store just like this, go ahead and find the TikTok app, and all you're going to want to do is update the TikTok application. A lot of the times, just updating the TikTok app can probably end up fixing the problem for you too. And that's another thing I'd recommend doing. If that's still not working, you can try going through and try basically restarting your phone. So go through, hold down the buttons you normally would to restart it, slide power off, slide the power off your device, and most of the time that'll probably end up fixing it too. So hopefully that ends up fixing it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.